Hey guys, Jay Massey here, and welcome back to the channel. And one of the questions I get often is, what is normal for pricing, or how much money can I actually make with this thing? So we have Q&A sessions for our students, and we tend to run them regularly on Tuesdays live, and I get to answer their questions. So in this video, what we're gonna do is gonna show you a small little clip of an answer from one of those sessions as it relates to pricing specifically in your high season. So if you've wanted to know some inside tips on how to make sure that your margins are as fat as they possibly could be, you're definitely going to want to watch this. Janan, for Orange County during the summer pink season, what is normal for profit from your experience in the past, just so I can have an idea of how much I will be willing to discount? Got it. So as we continue through, for those of you who have like summer high seasons, we're approaching the months where you're going to have months where it's like 40% expenses. In fact, Wheelhouse has this little graph thing. Let me see if I can show you. Yep, there it is. So if you're using Wheelhouse, Janan, like I think you said, you know what, let me go to Orange County. Okay, and let me do this. So this little graph thing will give you an idea of what that looks like, right? This little graph thing will give you an idea of when and where that looks like. Clearly, we're entering into the months right now. It is about to be that roller coaster ride season, which is kind of exciting as well. So yeah, so that should help you tremendously. And in fact, if you want another place to look at it, when you hit the strategy, it'll give you a different way of looking at that exact same thing from the pricing perspective as well. So you can look at it there, and then remember, you can add your seasonality adjustments as you see fit, also right here. And again, you can do their recommendations or the custom. Hopefully that answers your question there. Are you adding any percentage increases on certain holidays? If so, how much? Yes. 4th of July is definitely a day where there will be, I haven't actually decided what that's going to be, but there will be an increase definitely on the whole 4th of July, specifically since now that I just looked it up, I know it's on a Thursday. So now, and I just want everybody to understand, here's what that means. We have 4th of July on a Thursday. The only thing that could be probably worse is if it was on a Saturday, and because of Friday, maybe a Friday, but if it was on a Saturday, that would also be bad. But understand, we have a Thursday. There's going to be people who actually arrive to your unit on Wednesday, and obviously they're going to be staying Thursday, and now you've got this Friday thing, so they're probably going to be staying Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, checking out on Sunday. I can see a significant amount of business happening in that time frame. So those 5 days to me warrant a premium. What that premium looks like right now, I don't know, but here's the time. Now is the time to test that premium. Just mark it up. It doesn't really, and see what happens. You never know. I don't think I have many of those. I don't think I have anything like in July like that booked at the moment. And if I do, it's not many of them. But now would be the time for you to begin to test that. Now, if your property is larger, you needed to do that already, and you probably should be doing that right now as I'm talking to you. But again, our properties are smaller. We're serving a different customer, blah, 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 blah. You get the idea. If you like information like this, go ahead and hit that like button. Plus, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that the first time we produce more content like this, you will be one of the first to know. Thanks.